Hi, my name's Christian Marley. I'm the owner and one of the dentists at Cavendish Dental Practice. People in Derby know me as Kenny. I want to have a chat to you about trying to give the painless injection. Now, I want to tell a story about something that happened to me earlier this year. About 6 months ago, I had a cyst in this eyelid, and I didn't do anything about it because it didn't hurt. It was a small cyst. However, about Christmas time, New Year's time, it started getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and I realised something needed to be done. So I went to see the eye specialist, and he referred me to the eye consultant. And what we did is went to see the eye consultant. When I sat down in the waiting room, my heart started going faster. I started getting anxious, and as I started getting anxious, the eye consultant said, right, the only way we're going to sort this out is by cutting this cyst out. And so as soon as he mentioned that, my heart rate went even more faster. I started going more quieter, and then he got the injection, numbed it up, he cut the cyst out. I was still awake. The procedure went well, but what it did teach me, it taught me of how my patients feel, or how people feel when they go to the dentist. That anxiety you can't control, that your heart rate just starts going a bit more faster, you get butterflies in the stomach, you don't really want to have anything done, but you have to have it done, otherwise things are going to get worse. And so one of the things that hurt a bit was the injection that went into the eyelid. And from then on I thought there has to be a better way of giving injections. Yes, you can't get away from the injection, but there must be a better way of doing that. And so I've invested in what's called the quick sleeper. We've got leaflets about it. I've had it for about 10 days now. I've used it on quite a few patients, quite a few nervous patients, and the feedback I've received from the patients is that the quick sleeper made the injection painless. One of the big advantages of the quick sleeper is if you've ever had the injection that goes in the roof of your mouth, then you would know about that injection. It's probably the most painful injection to give. With the quick sleeper, we don't need to give that injection. And I've taken out a tooth on a kid who needed a tooth taken out because of braces, and I did not need to give that injection in the roof of the mouth. Now, that reduces your anxiety. If you know you're going to have a painless injection, it reduces the anxiety. So I felt when I went to get my cyst cut out of the eye, I felt that anxiety. I know what people feel when they go to the dentist, because I felt it when I went to see the eye surgeon, and I wanted to help patients or make that experience as pleasant as possible. And so if you're interested, if you're nervous of injections, or that's what's stopping you having seeing the dentist, give us an email or give us a bell. We can have a chat with you. We can give you one of these leaflets, have a read up about the quick sleeper. You might need to go look on YouTube about the quick sleeper as well. But it's a fantastic system. We've invested in it here in order to make patients' dental treatment less anxious. My name's Christian Marley. Hope to see you soon.